All right, so when you're accessing your pretest for the second time, you're coming in, and typically when there's an assignment assigned to you, you see it under here, under this My Assignments tab. However, you notice there's nothing listed here right now, and it's not that it's not here for you. You actually click on where it says My Assignments. All right, so we click on here, and it'll take you to all the assignments that your teacher has assigned to you, and then you look for whatever pretest, in this case it is, that is due. So for now, this class is looking for Module 6, so we would click Begin. And there is something that's going to pop up, and it says you have already submitted this assignment to your teacher. You can use the questions again for practice, but can no longer turn it in. Now, this doesn't mean you can't do it anymore. It means it can no longer be turned in as a test. So it's not going to give you a score. So it's not going to give you a 70%, 80%, whatever. You can do it as a practice page, and that's what I'm asking you to do. I'm asking you to use the tools, the tutorials, the examples and such, and take the time and use it as a learning tool, no longer as a test. Okay? So you click OK, all right, and you notice up here that it has the pop-up. So for some people, you might have to click a little box and allow the pop-up. Here I have to click Preferences, and I would choose Always Allow Pop-ups. And then it'll pop up and it'll allow me to start using it. Right? In here, now look, it says View Example. So it allows you to see an example that you're doing. You can do step by step, so it makes you do the problem step by step. You can print out the pages. When you go through, sometimes up here there will be a little video or like a little TV that'll let you use, like it'll pop up a little guy with a tutorial. That's what this is supposed to be used for. Okay, once it's no longer a pretest, it's actually a practice tool. It's not a test to see what you know. It's a help me learn this better tool. Right? Make sure that you're writing down everything. So like here, I would actually write down, use the table to find the ratio, and I would actually draw the table down. Yes, it might take a little bit longer, but then if you're struggling with something, your teacher can actually help you out a little bit more. Whereas if you just slap a couple things down on a piece of paper, there's not really much we can do to help you because we don't know what you did wrong. Okay, if you want to, go ahead and print it, or you can print it. So like here, I chose print, and then you can actually save it as a PDF, and you can make it a whole big file, right? And then try to print it in a consolidated form. That's a good way to show that you've done it, you know, and then I would even accept that. Like if you were to do it that way and do it by hand, it doesn't give you the quick feedback though, but that is another option. You have the option to check your answer. Obviously I didn't write an answer in here, but like if I just type in something, you know, check my answer, nope, it's wrong. It tells you to try it again, and it won't let you move on until you get it correct. Okay, once you're done, make sure you hit submit, but again, once you hit submit, it won't send the results to your teacher because of the fact that it's not actually grading it for you. It's just telling you if you got it right or wrong. Right, so again, to make sure that you got to it, you actually have to go into My Assignments. So click on My Assignments, then choose which one you want to go into, click Begin, click OK, and then it should pop up. Sometimes this pop-up will open up behind this one. So you might have to minimize this to find this one. Sometimes you'll have to actually open the other one again. So sometimes you'll click OK, and then you actually have to click on Begin again to open it up.